today I'm going to show you how to do the spiders in the Ampulate socks. So basically I've knitted my sock and you can see all my spiders. So I'm on my last spider. I've left the last thread, his leg, off so that you can see how to do the leg as well, because I think some people in the test were pulling them a little bit too tight and it makes the spiders bunch up. So I'm going to show you how to do that bit, and then I'll show you how to do the spider grab maneuver. So we're going to purl to where we need a slip stitch. Alright, so I'm at the slip stitch point. So we need the yarn in front, obviously, and we're going to slip the 5. Right, now we're going to insert the needle as if, because we're going to purl that next stitch. We've slipped 5 and we're going to purl that next stitch, but then we're going to pull them all across so they're all as open as they can be before you bring that yarn across. Don't let them gather back up. Okay, so if you pull it, they're going to gather. So we're not going to pull it that hard. Keep them tight, purl, and then carry on going so that it's nice and loose for when you do the spider grab. Otherwise, you're going to make your spiders pucker. So make sure those stitches are as wide as they can be before you purl that next stitch to bring your yarn across. Okay, so now we'll go on to the spider grab. Okay, so we're going to purl up to the stitch that was the knit one to the back loop. We're going to purl up to that stitch. Okay, so once we reach that stitch, we are going to bring our yarn in the back. So it should be in the front because you've been purling. So we're going to bring the yarn into the back. And then we're going to scoot this right hand needle down to collect your 4 strands. So the 4 legs of the spider. Make sure you haven't picked anything else up. Have a good look in there. Make sure you've picked all 4 up and that you haven't got anything else. And then we're going to knit our knit one through the back loop. Just knit it though, you don't need to knit it through the back loop. Drop that off, and then we're going to scoot back down. Bring your needle around like this, because if you just come down, you're going to pull the loop off. So angle it around and then let go and bring it up with a little bit of a tug. And then we just carry on purling the next stitch and continue. And that's your spider done. So I'll do it again one more time. So we're back to the stitch that we need to be at. We're going to yarn, so your yarn would be in front because you've been purling. So we bring the yarn in the back, scoot down and collect your 4 legs. Knit the next stitch, the knit one through the back loop stitch, knit that. Scoot it back round, angling it through to collect all the legs again and bring up its body, and then purl. So you shouldn't increase the stitch or anything. It's exactly the same stitch count once you're done. And then we go. There is your spider. This one's a lot clearer. Okay, I hope that helps. Let me know in the comments below if it's helped you out, and enjoy it making your little spider socks. Thanks for watching.